Hello everyone, I'm Rohit Singh Tajpuria, MD and CEO of SFRI India. I would like to share as we successfully completed 1 year of SFRI India. I sincerely thanks all of our partners, distributors and a team member. आपके support और trust ने ही हमें यहाँ तक पहुँचाया.
Our journey began with a commitment to bring SFRI's global legacy of over 47 years in diagnostic manufacturing to India. Today, SFRI stands amongst the world's leading manufacturer of high-quality, reliable, and innovative diagnostic solutions.
SFRI India stands for quality, innovation, reliability, and now we are proud to share that we are soon establishing our own manufacturing plant in India under the Honorable Prime Minister Make in India initiative. This reflects our strong commitment to self-reliance, local empowerment and a global quality. हमारे distributor partner के लिए SFRI is not just a business opportunity. It is a long-term growth partnership. You will get world-class product access, competitive pricing, high margin, potential exclusive territories, full technical and marketing support. आने वाले टाइम में healthcare diagnostic की डिमांड और भी तेजी से बढ़ने वाली है, चाहे लैब्स हो, हॉस्पिटल्स हो या फिर पॉइंट ऑफ केयर. चलिए मिलकर एक हेल्थियर और स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिया बनाते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर जर्नी. सबका साथ सबका विकास. थैंक यू. नमस्कार.